Dyson Airwrap. I'm going to show you today my hair to be straight and a little bit of a curl underneath the front side. So this is Dyson Airwrap Soothing Dryer. They're pretty straightforward interface. So this is the intensity of the wind, and this is the, as you can see, there's a little dot indicating the cool or hot, or this is just power button. So I'm going to just basically plug it in. So I'm going to dry my hair from this way. I didn't do anything with my hair. I just washed my hair and I just let it 10 minutes sort of air dry. Let me explain what my hair is like. So I have a long hair, of course you can see that, but for Asian, I think I have pretty thick hair. I have a lot of amount of my hair like this. As you can see, if I tie my hair up, I need really strong bands to hold it tight. This is my this hair condition. Okay, and I keep drying. I like about this dryer because when you use normal dryer, you do normally you have to really move your hair dries. But this is, I think this is a bit lighter, and you just don't have to really do that and just stay there like that. My hair is 50% dried. I'm going to use this hot brush tool and then plug it in again. I like to just quickly brush it down because I want to have a smoothing straight hair today. So high heat. Now I don't really have tangled hair, it looks smooth enough. I think it's almost 80% dry, but I have some moisture left. So I'm going to switch it back to this soothing dryer again. But this time, so this was the original position, so this was where the wind's coming out. Now I'm going to switch it back to more the way I want to change the wind direction, so the wind goes directly to the direction of my hair. Because I'm doing this way, I'm going to put this thing left this way, not this way, okay? And I change this to my hair direction. The other side, back to this way and then this way. Honestly, you don't really need to worry about this side because once you put this thing here and you push a little bit down, it automatically goes that way. I want to sort of brush it again, so brush. I'm going to just use cool air because the summer is hot. I like it. It's almost done, but you can see it's it looks very smooth here on the top of my head, and then very smooth. But what I want to do is I want to kind of have a little bit of curl just for the front hair. So I'm going to use this volumizing brush. They call it volumizing brush. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but okay. I'm going to basically plug it in, and then I'm going to just do this. just like a light hair oil. I'll do it a couple of times. And I'm gonna apply to the middle and the end section, the bottom of my hair. Remaining things goes the entire section, because this oil is not too heavy. I just apply it to everyone, but mainly focusing the end of the hair. Okay, that was how I do my straight hair with Dyson Airwrap. Hey guys, I'm going to the cycle drive in my Dyson Airwrap. I think my hair is almost got dried. I'm going to just roll the tip of the hair. I'm first gonna brush with my hard brush. This circular brush, I don't know what's actually called, but let's plug it in. I'm gonna do that. I did it very naturally, and it doesn't really take much time to do this. So I'm gonna pump some hair oils. Apply on my hair. Then now it's done. So I have Sequel, natural, the Dyson Airwrap.